your rule 1, when it is in the form of your q of x, it is in the form of e to the power of ax. How you are going to write your pi? Pi is equals to 1 by f of d into e to the power of ax, where you have to substitute, where we are going to substitute every d is equals to a. Whatever the value it's here, that value you have to substitute into your denominator. In place of whatever the d is there, that d you have to substitute with the a. If your f dash of a, if f of a, it's becoming 0, then in that case you're going to multiply numerator with x and differentiate denominator with respect to t. It is equals to 1 by f of d x into e to the power of ax. Again you have to substitute your every d is equals to a. Again we are going to substitute every d is equals to a, and you're going to see that your f dash of d also has to be not equals to 0. If it is becoming 0, again you're going to repeat until unless your denominator part should not be become a 0, or it should become as a constant. Then you are going to multiply again x, then f double dash of d e to the power of ax. In that way you have to repeat it, x to the power of n by f to the power of n of d e to the power of a into x. Repeat until unless your f of d has to be not equals to 0, or it should be constant. Your constant differentiation is equals to, it's what constant differentiation?
Constant differentiation.
Can we do that differentiation to the constant?
It will be 0.
Yes, it will be 0 when we'll do. If we'll go for integration,
1.
if you're going for difference integration for constant, what you're going to get? We are going to get that particular term, we are going to get with what we are going to do that integration. If you are doing with respect to x, see, if you are having
1 by
integrating
x.
100 into dx, if you are doing, then it's going to be 100x you are going to do. If you are going to differentiate the constant number 100, it's going to be 0. Differentiation with whatever the term you are doing with respect to that term, you are going to get that variable over there. If for differentiating, it will become as a constant. That you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken this note of this one? Shall I go for the problem directly, or shall I
Yes, ma'am.
wait for you seconds?
Uh, little up, ma'am.
साइंस में फूड एंड प्लांट्स पेस्ट करो पहले. जाओ फूड एंड प्लांट्स. प्लांट्स एनी 5 करो.
One's up, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, write on the problem. Solve p
Solve.
cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 of 5. It's equals to e to the power of 2x. Here your solution. Already it is in operator form. If it is not in operator form, you are going to write it in the operator form, where your d represent by d by dx. So directly we'll go for auxiliary equation. Your d will get replaced with m cube
Yes.
minus 5m square, then plus
Plus 8m
8m
minus 4.
minus 4, it's equals to 0. So now what we're going to do, we'll go with the synthesis method, because m cube it's there. How you're going to find that synthesis method? The constant term you're going to take. The constant of m cube, it's 1. Constant of m square, it's 5. Then sorry, coefficient, sorry, I said as a constant. Coefficient it should be. Coefficient you're collecting. That m cube coefficient, it's 1. M square coefficient, it's minus 5. M coefficient, it's 8. Then constant is equals to minus 4. If any term it's not there, that cell is going to be 0. No, if suppose your 8m is not there in your equation, after m square, your next place is what? M place is there. If this m place is missing, means when you're going for synthesis, this cell should be 0. This place will occupied with a 0. This number will not be there. It will become as a 0. Then it will be as a constant place. Then we'll start with the 4. It's there. We'll go with the 2 and see whether this last term it's becoming 0 or not. It's a 0. First you have to start with 0. 1 plus 0, it's 1. Then again you're going to multiply this 1 into 2. It's a 2. Then you have to write it into that next place. 5 minus 5 plus 2 will give you minus 3. Then minus 3 into 2, it's minus 6. 8 plus 6, it's equals to 2. 2 into 2, it's a 4. Yes. So this last term, it's become 0. Now this equation, we can write this one. This is your one root. M minus 2 will be written as M minus 2. Next, this will become as M square. M square. Then this is your 3m plus 2. It's equals to 0. M minus 2 is equals to 0, or m square minus 3m plus 2, it's equals to 0. M is equals to 2, and from here this we can by common factors we can go. This we can
Yes.
split as 3. Minus 3 we can split as minus 2, and minus 1 we can write m
Yes, ma'am.
square minus 2m minus m plus 2, it's equals to 0. From this first two terms, you take m as common. M minus 2, then minus m of m minus 2, it's equals to 0. M, once again, here it should be as in a 1. Then m minus 1, m minus 2, it's equals to 0. M minus 1 is equals to 0, or m minus 2 is equals to 0. M is equals to 1, m is equals to 2. Therefore, what the roots you're getting? This is also
1
one
and
root. Yes, this is one root. This is one more root. And this is as in a one more. So write it in the sequence. Your m is equals to 1,
1 comma
2,
2.
2. One root is real. Another root is repeating twice. The roots are real. The roots are real, but second root repeated repeated
Twice.
twice. So your complementary function y suffix c, it's equals to c1 e to the power of m1x plus c2
C2,
plus
C3,
3x e to the power of
M3X.
2m2x. Y suffix c is equals to c1 e to the power of m1 is equals to 1, that is simply x,
X.
then plus c2 plus c3x e to the power of 2x.
2X.
So our first half of the problem it's over. Next we have to go for finding that second half, that is your pi. Where your pi, to find pi.
Yes,
Pi
ma'am.
it's equals to 1 by f of d
F50
into
Q of
q
X.
of x. What they have given q of x here? Q of
E to
x
the
equals to
power of
e to the power of
2X.
2x. It's equals to your function 1 divided by d cube
DQ
minus
minus
5d
5D
square
square
plus
plus
8d
8D minus
minus
4.
4 e to the power of 2x.
2X.
What is the value of a here?
2.
Yes. Here a value is equals to, here a is equals to 2. So substitute every d. It's equals to 2. 1 divided by 2 whole cube minus 5 into 2 whole square plus 8 into 2 minus 4 e to the power of 2x. It's equals to 1 divided by 2 whole cube, it's 8 minus 4, 4 5s are 20, then plus 8, 8 2s are 16 minus 4. 16 plus 8, it's a 24,
0.
minus 20 and minus 4. It's what? It's a 0. It's a case of fail case.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a case fails. Don't write as an a, it's as an a infinity one, something by infinity, something by 0 is equals to infinity. You are not
Hmm.
going to write as an infinity, you are going to write case fails over there. Case fails, in that case you are going to multiply numerator with x and differentiating denominator with respect to d. Your pi, it's equals to x divided by d cube, it's a d cube differentiation, it's equals to 3d square
3D square.
minus, next a d square, it's a d square differentiation, it's a 2d, 2d
2D.
into 5, it's a 10d, then
10D.
plus next is 8d, 8d differentiation, it's equals to
8.
simply 8.
8.
Next it's a constant differentiation
0.
is equals to 0 e to the power of 2x. Again substitute d is equals to a, substitute every d is equals to a, that is x divide by 3 into 2
Again
whole
0.
square, yes again 0,
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
10 into 2 plus 8 e to the power of 2x. 4 2 is a 12, yes again it's a 0, 20 minus 20, 1
Yes.
by 20 minus 20 e to the power of 2x. Again case fails. Again case fails. So again you're going to multiply. Again multiply numerator with x and and differentiate denominator with respect to d. Where you're going to multiply this one? In the starting you're going to multiply, or here you're going to multiply this?
Mm,
Here you have to multiply. Make this
here.
equals to equation number 1. Because already once it's over, after
Yeah.
substitution, again it's becoming 0. So if you're going to substitute again to the starting one, means again you're going to come to the equation 1 only. So it's a no
Yes.
use. So first time it's over. Now here you have to multiply. It's equals to x into x square divided by d square. It's equals to 2d into 3. It's a 6d minus 10. D differentiation, it's equals to 1. 1 into 10, it's a 10. E to the power of 2x. Again, substitute every d, it's equals to a is equals to 2, which is equals to x square divided by 6 into 2 minus 10 e to the power of 2x. It's equals to x square 12 minus 10, it's equals to 2 e to the power of 2x. Your pi, it's equals to x square by 2 e to the power of 2x. Now write your general solution where your gs, complementary function, gs is equals to complementary function plus particular integral y is equals to y suffix c plus y suffix p. Y is equals to what we got, complementary function e to the power of x, then plus repeated root c1 plus c2x e to the power of 2x, then plus x square by 2 e to the power of 2x. This is the complete solution. Yes, what the name you said me, ma'am?
My name, ma'am.
Yeah, your name.
Sharmeen.
Sharmin. Yes, Sharmin. It's a clear for you.
Yes, ma'am.
The concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am.